In my house, my wife is always fighting with me. Can you please arrange the sofa? Can you please take the sofa? Sofa like no sofa in my house. No sofa in my house. Okay. Can you please arrange sofa like no sofa in my house? Believe me, where I require to sit, the floor, happily we can sit. Suppose assume that in your house, no chair, no sofa, assume that, then where you are going to sit? Where you are going to sit? On the floor only, right?
Yes, sir.
How many times per day you are going to sit and you are going to stand? Minimum 10 times or minimum 5 times, minimum 30 times also. If it is a holiday, you are not having any sofa or chairs or bed in your house, assume that. Where you require to sit? On the floor only. You require to stand. For a day, 30 times you are going to sit and stand. Sit and stand. In natural way, there is a movement to your body or not. If you want to get slim, if you want to get fitness, if you want to get slimness, if you want to get fitness, if you want to be very healthy, first thing, sir, don't join the gym. Better to remove the sofas, chairs, and beds in your house. Then automatically, especially dining table, these kind of furniture, try to remove from your house. Automatically, your fitness by default is going to be improved. Believe me.